Hi guys, it's me again, D. This is another attempt at microwave hot processing. After a couple of discussions with somebody who had viewed my video, I finally figured out how to change the power level. Even though I've had this microwave for years, I always used it on high. So I'm going to make a small batch of this is my rendition of my black soap. I've got all my ingredients in it. I use beer in a lot of my black soaps. And I'm going to see how this does. Hopefully, I won't have the gap in recording like I did in my last video. But my lye has already been poured in, my beer lye water. And I'm just trying to mix it up and get everything together before I put the wax paper on and throw it in the microwave. Oh, this is difficult to do. Okay. Um, I'm back after finishing up the blending, and right now the temperature going in is only 104. So let's go to the microwave. Oh, too bad I couldn't put this on pause while I'm walking. Okay, we're gonna put it in. How did she do that? I'm sorry. Hold on, let me pause. Okay, so I set my microwave to 10 minutes. I think I have it on the power level of 2. So, let's see what happens. Keep in mind, I've never used this power level before, so maybe we won't see the bubbling up as in my last video in the microwave, because I had it on power level 1. I think what Birdie Jean did, I think that was the one I watched, when it was about 5 minutes in, they took it out and stirred it. So I'm not gonna let you watch it spinning around for 5 minutes. I'll put it on pause and come back. Okay, there was some separation on this power level, and I'm having to stir it back together. I don't think much cooking has been done, but I'm gonna test it and then put it back in the microwave. Okay, as you can see, it's a lot of pink there, so it's going back in. I can't. Whoops, sorry. I can't use my left hand because my nails are too long. Go. Okay, I'm down to 8 seconds. And I was getting some of the bubbling action like when it was on full power. So that was a 10 minutes on power level 2. So I'm going to take it out, see what I got. Okay. I did it for another minute and a half before I took it out. So let's do another test and see what we have. Where are my drops? Oh. I still see a little pink. Going back in. Okay, I'm thinking this should be the last time it has to go in. This should be a good test when it comes out. I put it back in for 2 more minutes and it's folding in on itself and looks like it's cooking good, so we'll see when it comes out. Okay guys, I still got a little pink. Sorry about all the swinging and moving. I still got a little pink when I retested it, so I put it